Have you ever heard the saying, "You are what you eat"? Well, what you eat and how you eat it can impact your body in ways you might not have imagined. One topic that often comes up in discussions about nutrition is the compatibility of certain foods. Among the many debates, there's one particular combination that's often questioned: mixing fruits with milk. Fruits and milk seem innocent enough on their own, but when they mingle, some believe it can lead to digestive issues, reduced nutrient absorption, and even health concerns. In this article, we'll explore which fruits you might want to think twice about before blending or pairing with milk. Understanding digestion. Before we look into the specific fruits and milk combination, let's take a quick trip through your digestive system. Digestion is the process by which your body breaks down food into smaller components that can be absorbed and used for energy, growth, and repair. When you consume food, it travels through your digestive tract, encountering various enzymes and digestive juices along the way. Each food item requires different conditions for optimal digestion. For instance, fruits are primarily composed of simple sugars and fiber, while milk contains proteins, fats, and sugars like lactose. Now let's explore why mixing certain fruits with milk might not be the best idea. The fruit-milk dilemma. While fruits and milk are both nutritious on their own, combining them can pose challenges for digestion. One primary concern is related to the differing digestion times and enzymatic requirements of these two food groups. Fruits, especially acidic ones like citrus fruits, contain enzymes that aid in their breakdown and digestion. However, when mixed with milk, which requires different enzymes for digestion, the process can become inefficient and lead to discomfort. Moreover, the acidity of some fruits may curdle the milk, causing it to separate and potentially upset your stomach. This curdling effect is more pronounced when using acidic fruits like oranges, pineapples, and strawberries. Fruits to avoid mixing with milk. Number 1. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes. These fruits are highly acidic and can curdle milk, leading to an unpleasant texture and potentially causing digestive discomfort. Number 2. Pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which can interfere with the digestion of milk proteins, leading to digestive issues for some individuals. Number 3. Kiwi. Similar to pineapple, kiwi contains enzymes that may disrupt the digestion of milk proteins, potentially causing bloating or discomfort. Number 4. Strawberries. While strawberries are delicious on their own or in desserts, mixing them with milk can lead to curdling and digestive discomfort due to their acidity. Number 5. Figs. Figs contain protease enzymes that may interfere with the digestion of milk proteins, leading to digestive issues for some individuals. Number 6. Bananas. While bananas are generally well tolerated with milk by many people, some individuals may experience digestive discomfort due to differences in digestion times and enzyme requirements. Alternatives to mixing fruits with milk. If you're looking to enjoy fruits with dairy, there are alternative ways to combine them without causing digestive distress. Consider these options. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt contains beneficial probiotics and enzymes that aid in digestion, making it a better option for combining with fruits compared to plain milk. Number 2. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese pairs well with fruits like berries and peaches, providing a satisfying and nutritious snack or breakfast option. Number 3. Oatmeal. Add sliced fruits like bananas, apples, or berries to your morning oatmeal for a hearty and nutritious breakfast without the need for milk. In nutrition, the compatibility of certain food combinations is a topic of much debate and discussion. When it comes to mixing fruits with milk, it's essential to consider the potential impact on digestion and overall health. While some fruits may not be ideal for mixing with milk due to their acidity or enzyme content, there are plenty of alternative ways to enjoy the nutritional benefits of both food groups without causing digestive discomfort. By being mindful of your body's unique needs and experimenting with different combinations, you can find delicious and nutritious ways to incorporate fruits and dairy into your diet while promoting optimal digestion and well-being. So the next time you reach for that fruit and milk combination, remember to choose wisely and listen to your body's needs for a happy and healthy dining experience. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated with our latest videos, please subscribe to the channel.